Wagwan, 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 wagwan. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great granddaughter's day. I say that every time because it is, man. You know what I'm saying? You create a great day. You dig? The drizzling done picked up, god dang it. Hey, man, I'm over here wearing these gloves, man. Wearing the gloves out because it's like light rain, you dig? I'm about to wake feathers up so we're not just talking, we're actually living it. Shoot, man. It's been a lot going. I had to step out because I said I wanted to go to the store. Wanted to get some type of chips. I wanted to test it. You know what I'm saying? I eat alkaline electric. I'm gonna put the device closer so y'all can hear me. I wanted to get some chips because I wanted to test it. I wanted to get some alkaline electric base, like a base diet. That's what I follow. But the thing is, I think that one, alkaline electric food list that Dr. Sebi provided. One, we should question that, and two, because just listen objectively. You know, Dr. Sebi, he's made errors, and he's even corrected himself and been accountable for that. I love the American brother, and I say American because he's from Honduras. Honduras is an American continent. His mother's from there. You dig? So, just with that being said, I wanted to get some I wanted to try this. I think there's a lot more stuff too that could be like alkaline that's not on the alkaline electric food list. You know what I'm saying? I just think that's what's like more stuff we have to find out and research. You dig? Because I feel like nature's just so vast and rich. You know what I'm saying? Even though there's a lot of foods on there, but I just think, there could be a lot more, But, hey, that's that. And on the note, too, of Dr. Sebi, but I want to say, if you guys in the book one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email, info@healingthroughinspiration, or just DM us on Instagram, you dig? But as far as what, let me clear my screen a little. I don't want to turn the camera. Oop. As far as what Dr. Sebi, I think too, because I think as far as with us, like, I guess us Americans, one of our biggest, downfalls, as far as even pertaining to the blacks, I know is that they always try to look for the pupil, pale faces, just hybrids in general. As far as how to do things, as far as them doing things and whatnot, I really, seeking unnecessary approval is weakness. And it's like when Dr. Sebi said that he could cure AIDS, sickle cell, anemia, and multiple diseases. And when he said that, and in the news, and he put that in a newspaper ad, and then I think they took it down, and he was getting sued for that. And he ended up getting sued for that. He had to go to court in order to defend himself. Like, one, if they take it down, one, but then like you just kind of go into court to have to defend yourself in front of a foreign institution, a pale judge, or if it's not a pale judge, it's a judge who doesn't understand the body, and doesn't live in a natural way, or even seek in a bit of a natural way of life. So that way when they're in there, they're asking, they said, what type of food? What's this? What's that? How you get your protein? And he said, what is protein? I don't know what protein is. You know how many times I've had to have that discussion with the same amount of people? The same amount of people? Is that, hey, what is protein? I don't know what protein is. And anytime I ask them, I never get a concrete answer. It says, oh, well, it's for this, it's for that. I said, not what it's for, what is it? What is it? And then two, And then two, people talking about vitamins, you know, and it's vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q. It is even vitamin Z. And I'm like, what the frick? All this, I'm like, what the hell is that? It's all of that stuff is confusing me. It really is, yo. All this stuff to keep you confused. I'm like, man, the best ideas are made simple. The best ideas are made simple. Do you literally think when a deer goes to a bush of berries and it eats in a bush of berries, it says, oh, does this have a vitamin A in it? Does it have vitamin C? Oh, how much grams of protein it is? I don't know. Could care less for the gram size or whatnot. All this other stuff is confusing. All I know is that it eats what is natural. What is natural. It eats what is natural. And it's living and it's striving off of that. You dig? And as far as that, one, you know, it just going without the Sebi, like we don't have, with us, we don't have to prove ourselves to these people, even to the B-Lax. We don't have to prove ourselves. Okay, because I've literally had discussions with B-Lax, and I've talked to them about, you know, what we consume, and you know, they said, and the thing is too, there's another thing too, a very important thing. This is how you weed out people. You ask questions. Because the questions, this is something, you know, if you took the business course that we recommend you guys in the description box, is that the best way to hijack some mind is to ask a question. So that's what we do, we ask them a question. And you think is you ask them a question and it gets them to think. And if they don't, and that wouldn't an aspect, but tell you if they think and if they think for themselves or not. So we asked this man a question as far as pertaining to what we consume. And it was just like, it didn't even process. It went out one in one ear. I was going to say it went in one ear, went out the other, but it didn't even go in one ear. It was just like, yeah, because he already had his mind made up. That, yeah, man, I get it, but it's just like, hey, I love meat, I eat meat, I eat this. We all got to die someday. We all got to. But I just let them be. Just let them be, okay. I'm not going to argue with you. Maybe in the past I would have, I guess not argue, I would have expressed why, but I'm just like, I'm not going to argue with you. Because you wanted to go destroy yourself, that's on you, man. That's on you. Because that person certainly has their mind made up, man. You know? Because really, I'm thinking to myself, like, die. We all die. No, we're not. We're not supposed to be dying. We're not wired to die. I'm saying as original habits are not wired to die. These pale foreigners, these pale Europeans, and as they are on our land, they even said they seen us. It's like we've been here for hundreds of years. And old is synonymous with death. We don't grow old. We are timeless people. We are rich people. Really. You dig? So that in itself is not our culture, but I think we're gonna wrap this one up. But you guys, make sure you guys, if you guys want to start a business, you guys get with a course that we signed up with. It's in the description box below. If you guys want to book a consultation, DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you haven't followed us there yet, I don't know why not. Make sure you guys go do that. You dig? Still daily uploads on the YouTube channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out our artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. We also got a great, amazing American apparel. So yeah. Hey, what's up, dude? You got the haircut?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, y'all be easy. Peace, love, and light.